Hey, it's Tay Musselwhite here with Kimberlite Digital Marketing. I'm starting a behind the scenes workflow and being completely transparent with the viewers as we work to improve the rankings of J.E.R.S Automotive. It's JERSauto.com. It's a client in Glenview, Illinois. It's a mechanical repair shop. They do oil changes, tire rotations, major repairs, maintenance, all that. But this is what we're starting with. So we have, here's the website, and one of the things that you'll really notice about this business that really gives us a lot to work with is their customer service is superior, and their reviews and customer feedback across all platforms is phenomenal. So it's a really great base to work with. The owner, it's a small independent repair shop. The owner's name is Joe Chin. The guy who works with them is named Joe Schultz. You'll see in the reviews, customers love them, and they're very, very excited. We see it often in the reviews of, we know that they're just telling us to fix what needs to be fixed. They don't feel like they're being upsold. Their car is being taken care of, and they don't feel like they're getting ripped off. So obviously, as a marketing and advertising agency, that's a great base to work with. And so, we can see that here. 4.9 behind the scenes for J.E.R.S Automotive local SEO build out of 5 stars. That's based on 934 first party reviews, and then great testimonials. Yes, when you look at this, we know that we need a new website. That's coming. And then we've also recently launched Instagram for this business. So I'm going to switch to that right now. You can see where we are on Instagram. Today is Veterans Day, so November 11th, 2025. You'll see everything that we do behind the scenes to increase the ranking of this business. Then let's look and to increase the rankings of the business and the online profile of the business. So you'll see behind the scenes as we do that. And then, again, looking at Google Business Profile, you can see they have a pretty good number of reviews, 161 reviews. And you'll see everything that we do to increase the rankings on this business. And then one last tab to look at is YouTube. So, when we look here, 11 subscribers, 20 videos, and the highest one, we ran some ads on this years ago, so 22,000 views. Just started doing some shorts. And so what we're going to do is kind of the rules of the game here are that we're going to be working on all these profiles as well as the website, but we're only going to use the native platforms. So like for Instagram and Facebook, we're going to be posting from the Meta Business Manager, and we're going to follow their recommended paths, and we're going to see what the results are. So you get to learn in real time as we work on this business. As I said before, this is a phenomenal business. They have great reviews. We just need to help spread the word about J.E.R.S, and we're going to try to do this all organically. We may come to some points where we say, hey, we want to do some paid Google ads or Meta ads or anything else. But for now, this is all organic that we're going to be working. And again, all through the native platform. So for Instagram and Facebook, we're posting from Meta Business Manager. For Google Business Profile, we're from the Google Business Profile Manager. YouTube, same thing, from in platform. And we're going to evaluate what happens in terms of visibility on the website, in terms of Google Business Profile actions, Google Search Console actions, Google Analytics actions, Facebook views, YouTube views, reviews, both first party where it's communication between the business and the customer, and third party places like Google and Yelp. And we're going to be able to take you behind the scenes over the next few months as we build out this profile. We look forward to sharing this with you. We think it's going to be a blast. And please subscribe to the channel so you can follow along as new updates come out. All right, thanks a lot. Look forward to seeing you here.